It's my pleasure to welcome you all. Today, we are going to read a book titled 3 Grumpy Trucks. Please like and subscribe to this channel for new video updates. Across the sandbox, down the slide, through the sprinkler, side by side. 3 little trucks were scooping, shifting, grading, grinding, loading, lifting. Whir, whir, whir. Womp, womp, womp. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Grind, grind, grind. Hours later, bright sun beating. 3 tired engines overheating. Fuel gauges running low. Little trucks, it's time to. No. We're still digging. We're still lifting. We're still grinding. We're still shifting. 5 more minutes. Let us stay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Whir, womp, grin, chomp. Hoses hissing, warnings beeping. Red lights flashing, fluid seeping. Fuse is now about to blow. Little trucks, it's time to. No. Must keep digging. Must keep lifting. Must keep grinding. Must keep shifting. Tires smoking, engines glowing. Must keep going. Please, little trucks, it's time to go. Your temp's too high, your fuel's too low. Your windshield fluids are smelling strange. I think you need a wiper change. Okay, okay, okay. We know. 1 more minute, then we'll go. 1 more minute, that's our plan, everybody understand. Whir, womp, grin, chomp. Engines smoking, motors failing, tailpipes clanging, rotors flailing, rocking wildly, to and fro. Little trucks, it's time. Oh, they made an awful screeching sound. They banged their bumpers on the ground. They stomped, they womped, they sparked, they spit, they honked, they bonked, they threw a fit. What could she do? What could she say? To calm them down? To save the day? She soothed the little truck's alarms, then gathered them into her arms. Their undersides were caked in oil, their bumpers dark with soot and soil. She towed them home, still in a daze. Then set them in their engine bays. Their spark plugs charged, their tires exchanged, their windshields washed, their wipers changed, their bumpers polished up. And then 3 little trucks whirred once again. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on bell icon for new video updates.